All right, so really what we're trying to do with Gabe here again is we're trying to look at microbial carbon and the fungal to bacterial ratio in a slightly different ecological site. Again, what we're trying to do is talk about trying to look at the relationship between what's happening above ground and below ground. So this is just another window that we've got. Gabe, if you and Steve can then go ahead and look.
Okay. What we're going to do, we're going to...
One sec, hold on. All right.
Enough. Okay, this is the A horizon out of this surface layer in this soil. E. This is the E horizon. You can see how it's kind of a light dusty gray color. This is the layer where the clay is moved out of.
And that's almost pure silt there, right?
That's very silty. It's like a silt loam texture. Right. Pop one of these guys out of here.
Ooh.
This is the BTN horizon. This is the layer with the columnar structure on it. This would be where the sodium affected subsoil starts. Good enough?
Yeah, that's more than enough.
Okay, another little soils thing. You can see on the horizon below where that columnar structure is. See those nice prisms? That's prismatic structure, taller than it is wide. Got the nice square corners. Also breaks down into some nice blocky structure. We've got both of those structures in there.
Hold on. Longer periods of time.
Couldn't
So
even
we
figure out
can
where
see
your
it.
hand was. I was so tight. So go through that and go through that. Say that again.
Okay, this is a prismatic structure. It's taller than it is wide, looks like a prism. It's got the nice round or nice square edges to it. I'm going to come back right back up there. This would be a blocky structure. Looks like a nice square block. You've got both of those structures in there below the column tops in this soil. Got it?
Yep.
It's just a little soils deal. These soils, it's structure-wise, they've got some very, very good structure to them.
Yeah.
But the sodium has sealed up the subsoil on them.
Yeah.
Is the problem.
All right. Well, thank you.
Here's another little deal I'll show you, Buzz, as long as we're in here.
Yep. Okay.
It's hard to see. See the gypsum in here?
Yeah. Oh, that's gypsum. So
That's
calcium
gypsum.
sulfate.
Yep. Gypsum and probably other salts besides. But you can see when the sun's shining, you can just see the gypsum crystals shine in here.
Yeah.
It's in this layer here. And a lot of times you'll get an accumulation below this layer that's visible. This layer, if you ran it in the lab, would have high sodium in it, but you can get the visible salts in the layer below there.
Yeah. So the gypsum is sodium versus calcium.
Yep,
Yeah.
yep. And then you also probably start picking up some calcium carbonate as you go deeper also.
Gotcha. Gotcha.
So, okay.
Thank you.
There's a